When is it important to talk to your insurance agent about changes in your coverage? There's a lot of different situations that can happen in your life, and you may not even realize that they're impacting your coverage needs. For example, changes of your marital status, whether you're single and getting married or married and getting divorced, those can change who might be covered on your policy. You might be moving. Those are all things that can impact your insurance coverage. If you decide to move and you're buying a home or renting a new apartment, that's also something to talk about with your insurance agent. It's also a good idea to do that before you actually make your final decision, because sometimes where you move can impact your insurance rates. So if you have a choice between two communities, you might decide that you want to live in the one that actually helps keep your insurance costs lower to make life more affordable. You also might have a change because you have a new baby or adopt, or have some other change in your family structure. So you might need to be considering life insurance. You might have a student that's grown up and is now moving away to college. So when that happens, you have to be concerned about, is that student still covered under your policies if they rent an apartment, or are their possessions covered while they're away at school? Or you might change jobs or start a new business running it out of your home. That's a situation where your home insurance doesn't cover business operations, and so you need to look at having separate coverage. Or when you change jobs, sometimes your benefits change, and you might need to look at having life insurance or disability insurance, paying off your mortgage or paying off a car loan. It's important to have the lender removed from your policy. Also, it's good to check your limits to make sure that they're still appropriate at that time. Also, if you make home renovations, anytime you're spending money on your home in a significant way, it's important to make sure that your home value is still appropriate on your policy, because you don't want to be overinsured or underinsured. If you're buying a boat or some other major purchase, recreational vehicle, antiques, jewelry, those types of major purchases might need a separate policy, or might need to be listed on your homeowner's policy and being scheduled to make sure that you've got proper coverage. Also, as you approach retirement, it's a good time to talk to your agent. You might be considering downsizing, or there might be other changes to life insurance, disability insurance, or even other types of future life planning that you want to take care of. So just keep it in the back of your mind that any time that you're having a major life change, it's a good idea to reach out and talk to your agent. We never consider it a bother, and it's always important to make sure that you've got the proper coverage. So give us a call.